If the time comes that your BMW needs light repairs and you are busy at home or work, relax. Habberstad BMW of Bayshore will come to you. We do on-the-go basic repairs and maintenance where your BMW is parked. Our BMW Mobile Service program sends professional technicians and equipment to your home or workplace to perform basic services and recalls. The goal is hassle-free, convenient, state-of-the-art BMW service. It's what you deserve and expect from us. In addition to select repairs and recall work, we provide routine maintenance, including pre-trip inspections, bulb replacement, drive belt replacement, and even select recalls by BMW factory-trained technicians. And all of this takes place wherever your BMW sits. Beautiful. Let us save you time and give you peace of mind. Rely on BMW Mobile Service, only at Habberstad BMW of Bayshore. Family owned and operated since 1971.